Rockler saddle squares are indispensable for exact layout and joint cutting. Available in 90-degree and 45-degree versions, they straddle corners for accurate marking on both sides. Made from sturdy, anodized aluminum, these lightweight squares promise precision and long-lasting durability. They're easy to identify with their angle markings. The squares can accommodate material up to 2.25 inches wide and 1.25 inches thick. A textured grip provides security, and hang holes allow easy pegboard storage. The Rockler saddle squares are vital for woodworking projects, ensuring square or miter cuts. They give you an accurate layout for perfect woodworking and joinery. The Levoit Dowel Making Jig Dowel Maker Router Jig is a versatile and reliable tool for creating dowels using a router. Made of durable aluminum alloy with 8 different hole sizes, it ensures accurate and clean cuts with the included carbide insert. The jig offers precision, versatility, and affordability, making it a valuable addition to any woodworking toolkit. Setting up the jig is quick and easy, making it ideal for woodworking projects. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a enthusiast, the Levoit Dowel Making Jig Dowel Maker Router Jig will help you produce high-quality dowels for various woodworking projects with ease and precision. The Grizzly Outfeed Roller System 32428 is a reliable table saw accessory designed to enhance safety and accuracy while working with longboards. Made of sturdy steel, it features 2 37-inch urethane-covered rollers that can be adjusted to align with the table saw blade. The system is easy to set up and can be conveniently folded for storage when not in use. Its benefits include preventing kickbacks, providing support for longboards, and improving ripping accuracy. Kickbacks, the durable construction ensures its longevity, making it a valuable addition to your table saw setup. With the Grizzly Outfeed Roller System 32428, you can enhance your woodworking experience and work with confidence and precision. The Saw Set Miter Saw Protractor is a precision tool developed for carpenters by carpenters accurate saw settings without the need for complicated calculations. Crafted from robust ABS plastic, it features an easy-to-read 8.5-inch scale with screen-printed text and AT bevel stopper. It is calibrated to work seamlessly with your Mr. Saw, ensuring precise measurements with every use. With SawSet, achieving the correct angles for a variety of carpentry projects is simple. SawSet is suitable for a broad spectrum of tasks, including crown molding, baseboards, wainscoting, railings, flooring, handrails, decking, gates, fences, and various other workshop activities. The Bora Tool NGX Clamp Edge System is a versatile and accurate saw guide designed for precision cuts in sheet material and boards. It features a heavy-duty aluminum track that can be clamped to any work surface with a locking handle for angle adjustments. The non-chip strip protects the workpiece. Compatible with circular saws, routers, and jigsaws, it is extendable for cutting large sheets. Benefits include accuracy, versatility, ease of use, and durability. Angles available in various lengths and angles adjustable from 0 to 90 degrees. The system weighs between 4 and 10 pounds. The Rikon 11 600's variable speed 10-inch portable table saw is a potent and flexible saw, ideal for both domestic and professional environments. It comes with a 2-horsepower motor that can deliver up to 4,200 revolutions per minute, enabling cuts through diverse materials. The saw features variable speed control for exact blade speed modifications, guaranteeing accurate cuts. With a 28-inch rip capacity, it can easily slice through large boards, while its 3.125-inch maximum depth of cut facilitates precise crosscuts and addos. User safety is prioritized with features like the riving knife, blade guard, and anti-kickback cowls. The saw also includes a foldable stand, offering portability and simple storage. The Lay RTJ 400 Router Table Dovetail Jig is a precise tool for creating consistent dovetail joints. The jig comes with numerous templates, enabling you to craft various sizes of dovetail and box joints with ease. Its straightforward setup makes it suitable for beginners and compatible with most router tables. While its cost may be seen as high compared to other dovetail jigs, its quality and performance justify the price. The ERTJ400 can produce 5 sizes of through dovetails, 4 sizes of half-pitch through dovetails, 3 sizes of single-pass half-blind dovetails, and 4 sizes of box joints. Made from CNC machined aluminum, it promises durability and exactness. The RUTOOL Dowel Jig Kit is a precise tool designed for accurate and repeatable dowel joints. Crafted from aluminum alloy, it offers durability and precision. Additional details about the RUTOOL Dowel Jig Kit include a self-centering line scriber and drill guides for 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch dowels, along with corresponding drill depth stop collars. The kit includes various drill guides and drill depth stop collars, enabling dowel holes of different sizes and depths. Setting up and using the jig is easy, even for beginners, and it is compatible with most drill presses. The affordability of the RUTOOL Dowel Jig Kit is another advantage. While it may not be as versatile as some other doweling jigs and the drill guides could be a bit flimsy, it still provides accuracy and ease of use. Woodpeckers corner locks are spring-loaded corner clamps designed to hold 2 pieces of stock square to each other. Made from steel and aircraft-grade aluminum, they are formed on Woodpecker's computerized press brake for precision. Corner locks have a precision, machined anodized aluminum cylinder as the reference surface. They're easy to use. Just compress the spring and drop them over the 2 pieces for perfect alignment. These corner clamps are accurate, versatile, and durable, suitable for wood, plywood, and MDF. Woodpecker's corner locks are a reliable choice to ensure square projects. The Trend Varijig Adjustable Frames Guide is a multi-purpose tool for routers, enabling precise cuts like recesses and face panel moldings. Constructed from anodized aluminum, it offers durability and precision. The adaptable guide fits various router bit sizes and is simple to clamp to any workspace. Its high level of accuracy and versatility make it suitable for both novices and seasoned users. The package also includes an anti-tilt shoe and fixing screws, making it a dependable addition to your workshop. The working area measures 600 mm by 600 mm, offering cross-cut accuracy to within 0.1 mm.
The Rockler Pock-it hole clamp with quick release is specifically crafted for woodworking enthusiasts, simplifying the process of aligning and clamping pocket hole joints. With its unique design, the clamp features a built-in pin for perfect alignment, quick release mechanism for efficiency, and a ratcheting handle to ensure tightness. Additionally, it can handle a 3-inch wide stock capacity and offers clearance for multi-pocket hole fastening. However, while it offers significant benefits like easy usability and precise alignment, its price point might be a concern for some, and it may not replace the versatility of other clamps. In essence, it's a specialized tool ideal for those invested in pocket hole joinery. The Woodpecker's Mini Square, with its compact design, is a woodworker's companion for ensuring precise measurements and angles. Crafted from durable aluminum and adorned with a distinct dark red anodized finish, this square stands out for its accuracy, boasting a deviation of just 0.1 inch per foot. Notable features include its size of 1.125 inches by 2 inches, an eased inside corner for accurate readings, and marking holes for added utility. While its compactness and accuracy are commendable, the high price point may be a deterrent for some. Nonetheless, its precision and the added benefit of a custom-fitted tray make it a worthy addition to a woodworker's toolbox, especially for tasks in constricted spaces and detailed joinery work. The XDOVET 2-in-1 Mortise Tenon Jig Pocket Hole jig stands out as a multifunctional woodworking tool, ideal for creating Mortise and Tenon joints, pocket holes, and dowel joints. Crafted from a sturdy combination of aluminum and steel, this jig promises durability, ease of use, complemented by a suite of accessories like drill bits and measuring guides adds to its appeal. On the upside, its versatility and longevity are unmatched, and its user-friendly design is a boon for both novices and experts. However, potential buyers might be deterred by its price and its accuracy when compared to premium jigs. In summary, for woodworkers seeking a comprehensive tool that offers decent value for money, the XDOVET jig is a commendable choice. The leg-up table saw panel lift is an indispensable tool for those working with hefty panels, ensuring safe and effortless loading onto table saws. Constructed from durable steel and given a rust-resistant powder-coated finish, It attaches seamlessly either to the table saw edge or the fence rail. Saw blade: this device prioritizes safety, utilizing leverage to eliminate the danger of backstrain and accidental saw blade contact. While its ease of use, durability, and safety enhancement are significant advantages, the lift's price might be a concern for some, and its versatility might not match other panel lifts in the market. However, for safeguarding against potential injuries and ensuring a smooth workflow, this panel lift is a worthy investment. The Milwaukee M18 Orbital 1/4 sheet sander is a high-quality cordless sander powered by the M18 battery platform. Designed for efficiency, it has a variable speed range of 13,000 to 11,000 orbits per minute and features an effective dust collection system. Key features include its 1/4 sheet capacity, low vibration level ensuring user comfort, and an ergonomic grip. While the sander excels in offering cordless convenience, precision, and a clean work environment, potential downsides are its premium price point and the speed at which the dust bag can fill. Despite this, for dedicated sanding tasks, it's an excellent investment given its performance and comfort. The BI-DTOOL Featherboards are essential safety tools for woodworking enthusiasts, designed to minimize kickback on table saws, bandsaws, and router tables. Featherboards crafted from a high-tech polymer, these featherboards boast angled fingers that exert consistent pressure on the workpiece, preventing any unintentional uplift or binding. Adjustable to accommodate varying workpiece thicknesses, they feature wedge-lock hardware for easy attachment. Sold in a pack of 2, they're not only durable but also budget-friendly. While they offer many advantages like affordability during woodworking, some users might find initial adjustments slightly challenging, and they may not be as robust as some competing brands. The Hanger Buddy is a game-changer for anyone tasked with installing joist hangers. These metal brackets, vital for connecting joists to beams, can be tricky to fit. The Hanger Buddy, with its built-in level and depth gauge, ensures that each joist hanger is aligned and secured perfectly. No more fumbling. Its spring-loaded clamp holds the hanger in place, while the ergonomic grip provides comfort during use. With the Hanger Buddy, you're guaranteed a faster, more precise, and safer installation. However, its potential drawbacks include its price and its bulkiness in confined spaces. In essence, for optimal joist hanger installation, the Hanger Buddy is an invaluable companion. The Milescraft 8401 Trim 45 is an essential tool for carpenters aiming for flawless trim installations around doors and windows. Not only does it cater to baseboards, castings, crown moldings, and window trims, but its adjustable reveal gauge ensures perfect space between the trim and wall. The built-in clamp and tape measure slot streamline the process, while its 45-degree angle head simplifies miter cuts. With the Trim 45, trim installations are not just accurate, but also expedited. While it promises accuracy and efficiency, it might be a tad pricey for some and not suited for all trim jobs. Also, its bulk might pose a challenge in constricted areas. Nonetheless, for precision and speed in trim installations, the Trim 45 proves its worth.
The Rockler Radius Gauge Set is a compact and convenient tool that allows you to quickly measure both concave and convex curves. The set includes gauges for different sizes, all clearly marked with easy-to-read engravings and indicator arrows. Made from precision-machined aluminum, each tool includes both concave and convex gauges. The indicator ring in the middle rotates to point to the gauge you're using, ensuring accuracy and preventing user errors. It is especially useful for checking various diameters along spindle turnings, determining dowel diameters, or selecting a router bit for routing cove or bullnose molding.
The Wolfcraft B3750 Universal Doweling set offers woodworkers a convenient solution for accurate dowel holes. This versatile jig includes features like a drill guide for precision, a depth stop for consistency, and a dowel locator for alignment, covering various dowel sizes. While this tool streamlines dowel joint tasks, ensuring sturdy connections, there are some drawbacks. The set may be considered pricey by some and might not be essential for every dowel project. Additionally, its design might pose challenges in constrained spaces. Nonetheless, for those keen on precise dowel joints, it's a reliable choice that simplifies the process. The Swanson Savage ProScribe, designed specifically for meticulous scribing, is an indispensable tape measure for woodworkers. Among its unique features are a retractable scribing pin for precise lines, a centering pin for perfect circles, a wide scribe guide for straight lines, a magnetic tip for metal surfaces, and a protective nylon sleeve. This tool not only simplifies scribing, but also enhances its accuracy. Noteworthy benefits are its versatility across projects, precision, and robust construction, ensuring longevity. While its merits are many, potential drawbacks include a steeper price, non-essentiality for basic scribing tasks, and challenges in confined spaces. Nevertheless, for dedicated craftspeople aiming for perfection, the ProScribe remains a highly recommended tool. The Woodpeckers sliding bevel gauge and bevel block is an essential woodworking tool designed for precision. Crafted from superior materials, it offers features like a precision ground blade, reliable locking, and a bevel block with a spirit level. Its blade can also serve as a pocket square. Renowned for its accuracy and ease of use, it stands out in design and durability. However, its higher price point and potential redundancy for basic tasks merit consideration. Still, for precise angle measurements, it's a top choice. Thank you for watching this video on top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.